Good morning, everybody. This is the Terrible 63. We got two high railers from CSX.
And a CSX truck, and then they probably gone to work with it.
Alrighty. We got the CSX rail workers, everybody. Wow. Looks like they're working. Alrighty.
Yep.
Hi again, everybody. We got something coming. Let's roll it. The railroad crossing gates are down.
What? CSX trucks. That's amazing.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
One more. One more. One more. Please stop. Oh, it has some snow.
Wow. How awesome is that, everybody? The symbol for this train is the CSX L423 coming from the Queens Gate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio, heading north to the Needmore Yard in Dayton, Ohio. Alrighty. Wow. How awesome is that, everybody? Alrighty. Hi again, everybody. We got something else coming. Let's roll it. Wow. Alrighty. Alrighty. Wow. How awesome is that, everybody? Alrighty. Hi again, everybody. We got the rail workers here.
CSX rail workers.
Wow. How awesome is that, everybody? Please hit me likes and subscribe it to me, get notifications, and share it to everybody, the entire whole wide world. Have a nice, wonderful, blessing day bus today and tonight as well. Alrighty.